The National Spokesperson of the All India Trinamool Congress, Saket Gokhale, had recently alleged that a financial irregularity amounting to Rs 632 crores for the implementation of the Meghalaya Ecotourism Infrastructure Development Project on behalf of the Government of Meghalaya by the Meghalayan Age Corporation, spearheaded by Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, had been revealed through borrowed international funds from New Development Bank. Responding to the statement made by Gokhale, the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, said that documentary proof should be produced before any sort of allegations are made to any political party or the MDA government in particular.
Why should I spend time with a person who does not have anything to do? And we really don't know also how much he loves, how much he cares about Meghalaya. I think you all know also he's from which place, and then he's talking as if he's part and parcel of the Meghalaya, but he is not at all. And that's what I'm telling you. I never seen a so-called national spokesperson. When you made any allegation, you need to also bring in the documentary proof. Otherwise, just for the sake of saying that MDA government is a thief, I think I will not at all spend time with this fellow. I don't have time.
On the leader of the opposition, Dr. Mukul Sangma's pressure on the central government for implementation of the inner line permit in Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong said that this is an issue which he had greatly opposed to while he was in power as the dictatorial chief minister of the state, but currently is singing a different tune as leader of the opposition in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly.
I was surprised. The very same person that time when he was the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, he was the one who was deadly against implementation of ILP. And again now he sing different tune just because he became leader of opposition. So I think you need to ask from Dr. Mukul Sangma, what is wrong with you? At that point of time, you are deadly against implementation of ILP. And what happened now, just because you sitting opposite the treasury bench, you saying again, we need ILP. So let people of Meghalaya judge, and let people of Meghalaya also find out his true color on this particular issue. He was a dictator, so we can't speak anything. And you guys also knew it well. So therefore, no need to talk about that. But my statement stands, and my question to Dr. Mukul Sangma, being the leader of opposition, is why at that point of time you said very, very clearly, no ILP. And you knew at that time, law and order problem has already started crop up with so many NGOs. And then now, why did you again, the very same person says, we need ILP?